Car cleaning gel is essential for removing dust and debris from hard-to-reach interior surfaces. My today's video is about top 5 best car cleaning gel that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel. The ColorCoral Car Cleaning Gel is an essential tool for maintaining a spotless and fresh vehicle interior. Its soft, resilient texture allows it to reach and clean hard-to-access areas such as air conditioning vents, steering wheel crevices, center consoles, cup holders, and door handles, removing dust and debris effortlessly. Beyond cars, it's perfect for electronics, keyboards, phone receivers, and furniture crevices, making it a versatile cleaning solution. Made with natural, gentle ingredients, the gel is non-destructive and comes in 4 scented variants: lavender, lemon, and rose, leaving a pleasant fragrance after cleaning. Using it is simple: press gently onto surfaces, lift slowly, and watch dust stick to the gel. It's reusable until it darkens from dust, offering a cost-effective alternative to disposable products. Packaged beautifully, ColorCoral Gel is perfect as a practical gift for car enthusiasts, parents, or anyone who loves a tidy space. It's convenient, effective, and a must-have for effortless interior cleaning. Now our second product is Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. The car cleaning gel is a highly effective and versatile solution for keeping your vehicle and personal items spotless. Perfectly designed for reaching nooks and crannies, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and other tight spaces. Using it is simple: press the gel into cracks or onto surfaces like keyboards, then lift slowly to pull away dirt. Its sticky yet non-residue formula ensures thorough cleaning without leaving marks on hands or surfaces. Made from high-tech, green material with a pleasant Provençal scent, it is both safe and refreshing to use. This gel is reusable until it darkens from dust, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective cleaning tool. Beyond cars, it works on keyboards, printers, remote controls, phones, and furniture, making it suitable for home, office, and auto use. Compact, easy to use, and highly efficient, this cleaning putty is a must-have for maintaining clean spaces and electronics. Our third product is Click Clean Car Cleaning Gel. The car cleaning gel is an effective and convenient solution for keeping both your vehicle and personal items spotless. It easily cleans dust and debris from hard-to-reach areas like air vents, instrument panels, door handles, and other small crevices. Designed for safety and sustainability, the gel is made from non-toxic, eco-friendly materials that are gentle on hands and free from irritation. Its reusable formula allows it to be used repeatedly until it darkens from accumulated dirt, making it a cost-effective cleaning tool. Using the gel is simple: just press, roll, and lift it to remove dust, crumbs, and grime effortlessly. Beyond cars, it works perfectly on keyboards, printers, remotes, calculators, and electric fans, making it versatile for both home and office use. Compact, safe, and highly effective, this dust removal gel is an essential accessory for maintaining clean, tidy spaces in everyday life. Now number 4, Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. The all-round car cleaning gel is a versatile and practical solution for keeping vehicles and household items spotless. It reaches hard-to-clean spaces like air vents, consoles, cup holders, door handles, keyboards, TV remotes, and furniture, effectively removing dust and debris where traditional cleaners can't. Using it is effortless: simply press the gel into cracks, pull it out slowly, and watch dirt stick instantly with no residue left behind. Suitable for all dry, smooth surfaces, it's safe, eco-friendly, and made from non-toxic natural ingredients with a light, fresh fragrance. It's gentle on hands and won't damage car interiors or household items, making it perfect for families and pet owners. Reusable and long-lasting, the gel can be used for 3 to 6 months with regular use. Simply store it in its container in a cool, dry place after use, no washing needed. Its cute design also makes it an ideal gift for car enthusiasts, teens, or anyone who loves practical and fun cleaning tools. And our last choice is Ticarve Car Cleaning Gel. The car cleaning gel is a highly effective and versatile tool for keeping your car and personal items spotless. Perfect for reaching nooks and crannies, it easily removes dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris from air vents, cup holders, dashboards, and other tight spaces. Using it is simple: just press the gel into cracks or onto surfaces like keyboards, then lift slowly to pull away dirt. Made from high-tech material with a pleasant cherry blossom scent, it's sticky enough to pick up dust but gentle on hands, leaving no residue behind. Reusable and long-lasting, the gel can be used repeatedly until it darkens from accumulated dirt. After each use, simply store it in its container in a cool place to maintain its effectiveness beyond cars. It works perfectly on keyboards, printers, remote controls, phones, and furniture, making it ideal for home, office, and automotive cleaning. Compact, convenient, and highly efficient, this gel is a must-have cleaning accessory. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.